Rajendra from SQL School. I assure you, complete practical classes from scratch, right from the basics. I assure you. And let's make sure the classes are interactive, need your support. Let's get started now, slowly, step by step. What is database and what is SQL? Why we need to learn it, and how efficiently we can master this easy technology. Let's get started slowly from scratch, right from the basics. Database, a platform to store. You see my screen, everyone, friends. Please confirm database, please. Please.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Friends, I request you, write your observation notes, keywords. I know I'm troubling you. I will throughout the course. Really, please help me. You are writing your observation notes, only keywords, no lines, no definitions, only keywords. Enough. And this is the only PPT slide for the entire course. I repeat, this is the only PPT slide for the entire course for 5 minutes. And then we need to slowly step into our concepts. You'll be writing your keywords throughout the course. It's all about keywords, a lot of keywords every day. Keywords means the highlighted bold items we need to remember for our next classes. Let's get started. Database, a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. What is this? Let's see. Let's feel it first. Yes, we know how to store our data in Excel, PDF, Word documents, etc. Then why do you have database? Simple. Any type of data. Any type of data means barcodes, QR codes, scanners, passwords. So any type of data means even non-readable format data also, like passwords, QR codes, etc. Any amount of data. You take PDF limited to few GB. You take Excel limited to few GB of data. But database, my God, unlimited data, no restriction at all. So database has that beauty, any type of data, any amount of data at the same time, fully secured. This is what we need to implement practically from second half of tomorrow's class. There are two basic types of databases, OLTP, to store online transaction processing databases, to store live data, real-time data. Example, a live temperature data or live stock market operations. Anything live, we have OLTP. This is the starting point of our course, and we are going to do the installation of OLTP today and repeat the installation tomorrow. First half OLTP. From second half of tomorrow, we are going to slowly start our practice. Other one called data warehouse. These are nothing but big data. You heard it, right? Hope you heard the term big data, everyone. Yes, big data. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Remember, friends, practically big data means data warehouse, nothing else. Why? I'll show you in next few minutes. And these are our courses. Data warehouse, the godown of data, to store historical data, inactive data like old temperature, old stock market. Assume a live cricket match. Assume a live cricket match, OLTP. And batsman hits a boundary. What next? History, right? All history about his batting skills, score, and yearly or innings wise statistics. That is warehouse. Now, very important. SQL developers will take care of OLTP database design, separate course. Data engineers will care about the big data warehouse, separate course. And what about the next things? Management, analytics. For analytics and reporting, we have data analyst job roles and data science. In fact, data analyst is now coming under one of the departments of data science. So any data analyst tools you take, they have machine learning and AI and few other relevant data science related components inside it inbuilt. And we have other one, database administration, to manage, to maintain all these databases. Who will do? DBAs we call, database administrators. So DBAs are responsible to manage the databases, either OLTP or data warehouse. It is DBA's job to manage, to maintain. I repeat, developers involved in OLTP database design, data warehouse. Data engineers involved in warehouse design, analysts reporting, data science, analyze the past data, forecast and predict the future data. We say predictive analysis. Assume a live cricket match. We see expected run rate, required run rate, chances to win, chances to lose. Those metrics are from data science tools, accurate forecast. DBAs are responsible to manage databases. If data is lost, if data has to be securely accessible by analysts and data scientists and engineers, DBAs need to care about security, repairing, troubleshooting, maintenance, patchworks, etc. Now, with this information, let's see a small important diagram for our classes, a small block diagram. Yes, OLTP to data engineering activities to analytics, data science, etc. This is how the things will be related to. To make it more easier, and straightforward, let's get it in a different way. For example, assume our website sqlschool.com. There is a source of data to get your precious information for our happy learning activities. Or you have an app, we have a separate app for our video lectures, live training and video training. We have a separate app. Or sometimes we get it from other sources. So there are different data sources, apps, website, forms, Internet of Things, etc. From there, that's the birthplace of data. Okay, remember the birthplace of data is a black box, left side. From there comes OLTP, Microsoft SQL, MySQL, Oracle, Postgres, Amazon RDS we call Relational Database Service. These are all coming under OLTP database department. What is OLTP? Please, you remember everyone. What is OLTP? Online.
Transaction processing.
Transaction processing.
Yes, online transaction processing database. Others, please, if possible, if in case you wanted to stay tuned, then your notes is there. OLTP, online transaction processing database. So to implement OLTP, different companies came with different products. Oracle, MySQL, Postgres, etc. Now, assume a small example. Consider a scenario like this. OLTP is like a showroom. Big data, data warehouse is like a godown. And the transport system in between ETL. We have Microsoft ETL, Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks, Amazon ETL, Amazon Glue, Amazon Athena, and also open source ETL, Snowpark, Data Build Tool, and so on. All these are extract, transform, load, ETL. I repeat again, this one, ETL, extract, transformation, and loading. Next, okay, friends, before we start our course, we are learning what is what first, okay? All the basic elements we are learning. It's important. We know what to do in our job, but what our colleagues will do, that is also equally important for us. We should know who is what. Hence, the intro class today is very important for us. From ETL comes the warehouse, the godown. Godown again. Microsoft, we have something called Synapse. Synapse pools we call Azure Synapse. Open source Spark databases. This black box is part of our Azure Data Engineering course. And the other one, Amazon Redshift, it's a warehouse. Glue is the ETL and Redshift is the warehouse. Big data, go down. So earlier you have showrooms, now the go down. Multiple showrooms and one or two go downs. Same way Snowflake. Snowflake is another warehouse, open source. So ETL and data warehouse together come under data engineering job role activities. From there comes analytics, AI, machine learning, and so on. I repeat again, the birthplace of data, apps, IoT, web, forms, etc. Whatever data we submit through forms, through social media, through websites, through devices. IoT is a device. For example, one of our data engineering classes, I'll show you quickly. One of our data engineering classes will be learning something called, you'll be having the print copies like this, okay, throughout the course. You'll take print copies of the notes in advance, weekly, week-wise. Monday to Friday's notes will be given previous week Friday evening or Friday morning for sure. So that Saturday, Sunday, you'll revise all the concepts and then take print copies for the next week classes. That's how we do. I do. Okay. Please help me. Now, back to our concept. I said IoT, right? One of our examples. See here. In one of our examples, we'll connect to a live temperature sensor through an application and then read the data and store it. So temperature is a IoT. IoT hub we call Internet of Things. Throughout our courses, we'll be using free accounts only. It works, no problem. Back to our diagram again. What we are learning? IoT, capture live data, real-time data, like live real-time temperatures, real-time mobile navigations, anything live. A live, say Bluetooth enabled or Wi-Fi enabled AC, air conditioner in a room. It submits data, temperature. Through mobile app, we can capture it. Or another simple example, CC camera. It's also IoT only. Internet of thing. Camera is a thing connected to internet. That's how it is, simple meaning. From there comes OLTP, like DVR. And from there comes data warehouse, your disk. I'm talking about CC camera example. From there, reporting. From here, now, okay, we are talking about developers. We are talking about engineers. We are talking about end user analytics and data science. Then where are DBAs? Everywhere. Wherever there is data, there is a need for DBA. Remember. So DBA is not limited only to one particular OLTP. That used to be the case in the past, but now things are changing very rapidly. DBAs are now at OLTP site, data warehouse site. Wherever there is data warehouse, there will be data science. Now, with this information, I repeat my statement again. Wherever there is data warehouse, there will be data science. And to justify my statement, I'll show you one particular screen in another few minutes. That gives us the information about the so-called Spark database. I said Spark DB, right? I said open source data warehouse, Spark database. And the other items, we'll see anyway. Now, I'll quickly log into my Azure account once and then show you quickly that so-called data warehouse, data science blend together. But remember, friends, the diagram, I'll mail you the diagram today. If possible, really don't mistake me, take a print copy. Take a color print.
Sure,
That
sir.
is going to really, decide the beauty of our course. Really, friends, that is what we need to do. Practically, we need it. You print, take a color print and get printed in your brain. We are ready. SQL warehouse. What is this? Big data. Cloud computing is for the purpose. Remember, friends, cloud computing, another keyword we have been hearing since last few years. Yes? Yes? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir.
Cloud computing. Yes, friends, cloud computing, what's the purpose? It's not a separate technology. No, not at all. Cloud computing is for data only. To gather data from different devices, apps, websites, etc. And then build something called databases. I'll show you something called Hive databases and something called data warehouse. The godown of data. For what? For analytics, machine learning, and other things. So data engineering, machine learning, everywhere we need SQL. That is the actual concept. Now let's come back to our actual point. What we are learning? We are understanding what is database. A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. Now, to touch the databases, to work with databases, we need a software. We are going to get it downloaded today called RDBMS. Minor background sound from one of the mics. Please help me. Thank you, Salvedar. Thank you. Let's continue. Friends, will go for questions in another 10 minutes. Let me put my points clear. Then we'll go for questions. Some background sound there. Madan Babu, I have to mute you for some time, please. What is that? Okay, we learned what is database. Now, what is DBMS? It's a software to store, a software to manage, a software to maintain databases, build, design databases, manage databases, access, analyze, secure, monitor, troubleshoot databases. And now the things become very easier. We can even implement AI on databases, part of our course. Very simple, friends. Very simple and straight. In olden days, we have only, let me complete my example, okay? In olden days, we have only salt and chili powder. Then came pepper. Pepper is now part of every dish. AI is part of every technology. On my screen, part of the course. Without AI, no course. Without AI, no resume. We need to add value to our resume using AI. Databases love AI. Data warehouses need AI. Power BI, machine learning, analytics, everywhere we have the actual real goodness of AI. They make our things very easier. Really, in olden days, we used to write the code, scripting. Now with AI, we are happily auto-generating the script and manually verifying it. AI makes our things easier. Thanks to AI, let's continue part of our course. So you see in the course curriculum, AI separate list of example activities. And every DBMS now supports AI. Example DBMS in the market, SQL Server, Oracle, Postgres, Sybase, Informix, IBM DB2, etc. I repeat again, what is this slide about? Software. For example, to work with PDF, you need a software like Acrobat Reader or some other extension. To work with Excel, we need a software like MS Office. To work with database, we need a software like DBMS, Database Management System. This DBMS, we will be having the download link today, and you will do the installation tomorrow. Once we install tomorrow, then by second half of tomorrow's class, we need to slowly start with SQL, structured query language, a platform to store, manipulate, and report databases. Every touch on the database, we need SQL. So SQL fundamentals, we should be strong. Either you are into database administrator, data engineer, data analyst, developer, data science, everywhere it's all about data. And data means database. Database knows nothing except SQL. So we should master SQL, and we are going to do that from tomorrow, from scratch, right from the basics. SQL is our godfather. Tomorrow we'll do installation and slowly start our practice. And this week, next week, until mid of later next week, things are very, very crucial. We need to enjoy practicing, mastering queries. We need them. Detailed database architecture. There are two architectures we need to learn. One is RDBMS architecture, and another one database architecture inside RDBMS. Both we need to learn. We'll take one next week and another one later next week. Tuning activities. There are total 6 performance tuning activities we need to learn. 6 query tuning concepts in this basics. Procedures.
Sir, one doubt, sir. You mentioned about two things, RDBMS, and what is the other one?
Database, brother. Database, okay. I'll show it again. This one, brother. DBMS architecture, database architecture. Both we need to learn. Getting it now? I'll wait. Yeah.
Okay.
I'll provide a complete detailed day-wise course plan today on WhatsApp and email for everyone. I will do it from my number and my email. I'll do for everyone. The detailed course plan. Next, where we are? Yes, we need to have something called procedures, functions, etc. for compute activities. And I need your support. There are certain guidelines to understand our end-to-end implementations. You may be into developer activities, engineer activities, administrator activities, or you may be into business analysts, or you may be into database administrator. But anyone, everyone, the basement is common. Certifications. Data engineer, you have 2 certifications. Data analyst 1, business analyst same as data analyst. There is no dedicated certification for business analyst from Microsoft as on date. So they use data analyst, and other one we have DBA. The last one is actually database administrator, DBA. Sorry for the typo. This slide was taken from my earlier class. Yes, here it is on my screen. DBA is responsible for managing and troubleshooting databases. So let's get started with the SQL concepts, main concepts, and then go for your actual course. Either it can be database administrator with detailed step-by-step course plan, or it can be a data analyst, or it can be business analyst, wherever you go, or it can be a data engineer, or it can be a data scientist. I'll provide you the day-wise roster like this. On WhatsApp and email, I'll provide the day-wise roster like what we are going to learn on each day. I request you to take a print copy of the day-wise roster course curriculum also. Let's get started now with installation. And once we do installation tomorrow, we are going to start our practice. Before we proceed, we'll have doubts clarifications. Before doubts clarifications, come on, let's recap once again. Come on, friends, what are the keywords we learned today? Firstly, we learned. Come on, please help me. What we learned so
Database.
far today?
What is database?
Next.
OLTP. What is OLTP? Two types of database.
There are
my
two
OLTP
types of
One is
databases.
data
OLTP
warehouse.
and another one is
OLTP,
database house.
Exactly. What is database? To save time, I got it on the screen. A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. Different types of databases. OLTP. Live real-time data, online transaction processing data. Data warehouse, old inactive data. I just added one more, OLAP. Online analytical processing database, mainly for big data analytics and forecast. OLAP, remember. Where is OLAP? I'll show you once again in our earlier block diagram needed for our course. For understanding the project work, we need it, and here it is. I'll show you here. The rightmost side, we have OLAP. OLTP left, data warehouse middle, OLAP right. Analytics, forecast, we say deep learning, etc. We have various job roles, and all of us, we need SQL, structured query language, a platform to communicate, with any database for day-to-day database operations. What is TSQL then? Transact SQL, also called MS SQL. This is a variant of SQL to communicate with databases exclusively in Microsoft SQL Server. Someone asks you the difference between English and language. You say English is a type of language. Windows is a type of OS, right? Windows is a type of OS. Same way, TSQL is a type of SQL. SQL is generic, TSQL is branded. OS is generic, Windows is branded, something like that. Sorry for the sounds over there. I will mute that mic. Please help me, friends. Please help me. Let's control our mics carefully. Please help me. I'll continue. Now, I repeat again. Someone asks you the difference between MS SQL or TSQL. Both are same. MS SQL, TSQL, both are same. They ask you difference between TSQL and SQL. Yes, TSQL is a Microsoft brand of implementing SQL. I go to a mobile shop and say, I want mobile. They ask us for the brand or the budget or the features that we are looking for or the purpose of usage. There is nothing called mobile. Same thing here. There is nothing called SQL. Remember, we need to go branded. We need to go specific. Yes, in my BTech, I remember I'm 2005 pass out, and we used to have SQL, but SQL means it's Oracle SQL. We learned. I came to know about it later. Remember, friends, we should be having specific brand. Here it is, Transact SQL, Microsoft. So every database have their own SQL. Remember, back to my earlier diagram again. Microsoft have TSQL, MySQL as MySQL, Oracle as PLSQL, Postgres as PGSQL, PG admin we call, and RDB, say RDS, Amazon RDS, its own SQL, Snowflake, SnowSQL, SparkDB, Spark SQL. Every database technology has its own branded SQL. Remember, we are into Microsoft, we are into MS SQL, but any SQL, almost the same. That's the main good news here. Any SQL, almost same. We can happily, easily get on. We learn one SQL carefully, then getting into other is damn easy, straightforward. And we are going to install the software so that we can start implementing this beautiful SQL next. For that, Windows 8 or higher is needed. I repeat, Windows 8 or higher operating system, 6 gig RAM and 10 gig disk space. Any processor is okay. We'll do it slowly, step by step. Tomorrow, we have detailed installation, testing installation, and slowly start our practice. We'll do it slowly from tomorrow. Over to you. Let's go for questions. Before that, you need to receive an email now with the complete notes of today's class. You'll submit a form. You'll be receiving that email now. And that form asks you, like, what is your target job role? I need it. We need to sit one-to-one as well during and after our course on weekends for resume preparation and Also, more importantly, you need to receive the day-wise course plan and this class notes. Make sure we don't miss anything. Need your support. And how many hours you can practice per day from tomorrow, please? Minimum 1 hour everyone, please. Please, I will wait. Mic with you
Yes, sir.
all.
Yes, sir.
Minimum 1
Yes, sir.
hour.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir, sure.
Perfect.
Yes, sir. 1 hour. 1 hour.
Yeah.
Sure.
Now let me tell my concerned friends. Though I strive a lot to make the classes interactive, still sometimes I see few participants not able to respond. No problem, but assignments. You have everyday assignments from today. I know it's intro class, but we need it to gear up, warm up. We have assignments every day. You will submit on website. Get my answers back. And need your support. Every day we have assignments, okay? Please, so complete detailed notes. You'll be taking a print copy. You have the assignments, and over the weekend you get answers to all those assignments again. You need to take print copy of the assignments also. That's how it is. So you need to take print copies of the everyday notes, of course, in advance. Plus, you also need to take print copies of the FAQs. I mean, interview questions, concept wise. So need your support there, and I have to send you the email now. Yes, in the meantime, apart from course selection related questions, any other questions, please let me know. We'll get them one by one now. Please, over to you. Will go one by one. Anirudh, Cherukuri, M, Dattatreya, Gayatri, Shankar, any questions, please, from these keywords, item 1 to 6. Please let me know. Item 1 to 6. Please let me know. I'll wait. Anirudh, Cherukuri, M, Dattatreya, Gayatri, Shankar.
No, I'm good, sir.
Fine, sir. Fine, sir. Dattatreya, yes, please.
I'm good
And
too, sir.
Gayatri, fine,
I'm
fine.
good. Thanks.
Okay, then fine. Yep. Next. I'm composing the mail in the meantime. Okay, I'm composing the mail in the meantime, and I need to provide the complete course content also. You'll take a print copy of it. Next. Second.
Hello, hi sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, Shankar, please tell me, sir. Proceed. Tell me, please. Yes.
In item 3, we have here job roles like developers and data analyst. What is the difference between developers and data analyst?
Very simple, brother. Let's assume a car. Developers are at the car plant. They get multiple spare parts manufactured, tested, assembled, and your car is made ready. That is developer job. Analysts, marketing, promotions, WhatsApp marketing, and email marketing, promotions, forecasts, predictions, all kind of marketing activities, and analysts are reporting activity, front end reporting activities analysts will do. Both are entirely different. Developers involved in database design. Madan Babu, I have to, sir, please allow me, please. Back to my definition. Database developers will be involved in design of databases, programming, whereas analysts will be involved in reporting, forecasts, calculations, star rating of the sales, etc., etc. It's more into analytic activities. Reports, simply say reports. Shankar, are you getting it? Please let me know. Yeah.
Yes sir, thank you.
Fine, sir. Next, Raki and Manoj Kumar, Mohammed, Lakshmi Padma, Nevas, Noor Basha. Any questions, please? I'll wait.
So, is it mandatory for a DBA to learn complete TSQL?
Programming is not at all required. Queries are very much required and part of our course. Yes. Okay. Developer
Okay.
programming is not at all required, sir. I'll show you once again the relevant slide. It will be more easier for us. On my screen, brother. Programming is different. Querying is different. Queries are common. Programming is entirely different. The green box.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Okay. Yeah. Fine. And next. Yes, others please. Manoj, Mohammed, Lakshmi, Padma, Nivas. Others please wait, friends. We'll go one by one, please. I'll wait.
Hi, sir.
Fine.
This is Manoj.
Yes, Manoj. Tell me, brother. Proceed.
In query means that is also whatever previous question continuation, sir. Like
Tell me, sir.
in queries also we need to create the own queries or already already developer queries we need to use, or we need to create the own queries.
Sir, we need to have our own queries also. Sometimes you have to troubleshoot existing queries, optimize existing queries, or also design our own new queries. But if it is data engineer, they extract data. They need to write queries for extraction of data from various sources. Data analysts, they need to write queries to report the data usually from big data. Data scientists write queries for analysis and learning, machine learning, and other things. Database admins need to write their own queries for audits, monitoring. Which database is live? Which database has performance issues for last 24 hours? These kind of auditing queries DBS need to write. Okay, so it's more into writing queries, not programming. Programming is different. We should have writing skill set, and I will take care of it.
Got it, sir.
Fine, sir. Next, Noor Basha, Rajeshwari, Ramesh, Sachin, Salvadar. Please tell me, please. Any
Sir, hi,
question?
sir.
Hello, sir. Tell me, sir. Tell me.
Sir, are you going to send this recording session every day?
Yeah. Every day after the class. We'll do.
Okay,
Every
sir.
day.
Yeah. Sir,
Only
I'm good.
today and
Yeah.
tomorrow, you'll be having YouTube links. Only for today and tomorrow, you'll have YouTube links. But from day after tomorrow, I have to send it separately from our webinar app, separate app. We'll send it to you.
Okay,
Yes.
sir. Sure. Thank you.
Yep. I'll send you the complete details now on email. We'll send the complete details now on email with all the information. Yes, friends, email sent just now. Kindly check. I will wait. In the
Okay, sir.
meantime, others, any questions, please? Noor Basha, Ramesh, Sachin.
I wanted to
Salva.
check, um,
Yeah.
sorry to interrupt. I wanted to check now that you share these videos, how long will be able to access those videos?
Depends on your
As
course. It depends on your course and the plans. Okay. Our team will communicate with you after the class anyway. Friends, our team is
okay,
going to call you after the class to address all the non-technical questions. They'll do.
all right.
It depends
Yeah.
on the course you're opting for. Okay. We have various
Okay.
durations for various plans. But one thing, friends, let me put this way. I want you to learn traditionally from my detailed notes, not the videos. You have videos, it is there, but notes is important for me. Take a print copy of the notes. As long as your notes is clear, you need not invest time in getting the video again. Whatever I speak should be and will be from the notes, nothing else outside. We are into traditional learning process. How we used to learn few years back, the same thing. Again, video will be there for limited time, but if you learn from the notes, it is going to work, at least for our classes. Yep. We need it, friends. Okay, we need it. For example, yesterday, I think evening batch. Yes, I remember. I took constraints for them and I gave them 2 questions. Of course, class examples and assignment was given. That's okay. But I gave 2 questions and asked them, Google them. You will not find the answer. First question. Ask ChatGPT. You will not get the answer. But your interviewer knows the answer. Your client knows the answer. And your notes knows the answer. I said try it and try it. You will not get it, but it's there in the notes already. To get that from the notes, you have to practice 3 to 4, 5, 6 times. Derived learning is important for us. Traditional learning, out of the box thinking, we need it. So notes will be there, and I request you to take print copy of it. Email sent, friends. Please check. I will wait. I'll
Received,
wait.
sir.
Fine, sir.
Received,
Others,
sir.
non
Yes, I have
technical,
received.
our team will address, friends.
Yes, sir. Received, sir.
Receive it, sir.
Fine.
Receive it, sir.
Next,
For
Venkat,
tomorrow.
Tilak, Swati,
Received.
Sukrit, Srikanth, Slokar, Sneha Reddy, Shravani.
Received,
Any
sir.
questions,
Received.
please, I'll wait.
Sir, I didn't
Received, sir.
receive.
Others,
Received
please.
email, sir.
I have got it.
Sir, I didn't
Sir,
receive
received.
any email.
I received the email, sir. Thank you.
Already sent,
Hmm.
actually. I'll send it again. Not a problem. Friends, you got one form over there. Kindly submit the form. You got one form over there. Kindly submit the form. Someone said they didn't receive. Please check your spam also, please. Spam, junk, promotions. Please, I'll wait.
No,
I'll wait. I'll wait. In the meantime, yes, the other participants, Venkat, Tilak, Swati, Sumit, Sukrit, Srikanth, Sloka, Sneha Reddy. Any questions, please? Shravani, any questions, please? I'll wait. I'll wait.
Yeah, I'm good, sir.
No, sir.
Fine, fine. You'll be given separate mail today. Please submit the form. In the meantime, you'll be given a separate mail for the class notes for tomorrow's class. Please take a print copy of the class notes, and the download links also I have to send. I'll be sending it shortly. Next, do you have my WhatsApp number, everyone, for any kind of questions related to profile or even during the course technical questions? You have my WhatsApp number, please? Yes. You have my WhatsApp number with you?
Yes.
Yeah, we have, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Others, please.
Sir, where
I'll
do I
wait.
find the form? You said submit the form. Where in the mail I will
It's there
get
in
the
the
form?
email, brother. In the email, you got one website link, brother. Could you please check it? I'll wait.
Is that the sentence? Kindly submit your course at the link.
Exactly, brother. Exactly. Right. Okay. Fine then. Next. Just now sent one WhatsApp message from my number just to make it clear. Please add me to your contact list. Please add me to your contact list. We'll be having, weekend webinars, not every weekend. Okay. Usually, at least 2 times every week, we'll be having free workshops and other events on the weekend. I'll be posting them in the status as well. I'll save your contact. You also save my contact. One WhatsApp message to be sent now. Just sent. Who are all writing their notes, please WhatsApp me their observation notes to that number. Every day
Sir,
we will do.
I
Please
didn't
help
get
me.
any message from you.
yeah,
Just
me
now,
too. I didn't get any message from you.
just now sending one by one.
Me,
Okay.
sir, you were
Might be
saying
on
that
some background sound there, right? I muted that mic again. Yeah, please wait. Please. Gayatri, yes, madam. Please tell me. Proceed. Yeah.
I haven't got an email nor
You
a
didn't get the
message.
email. Okay. Did you
No, I
check
didn't.
your promotions, madam? Please. Promotions. Spam junk. Please.
No, promotions also there's nothing. Even in junk
No
also
problem.
there's nothing.
MB Gayatri. Got it. 1 minute. Yeah.
Yeah.
Received a WhatsApp message from you, sir. Thank you.
Sure. Yeah. Anyone else yet to receive the email? Let me know, please. I'll wait. Anyone yet
yeah,
to
I
receive
sir, I got a message from the same number, SQL School number 801. That is your number only.
SQL School have 801. My number also have 801. starting numbers, madam. It's from 90300. Is it? That's my number.
96664408001.
School number, madam. There is a school number. My number is starting with 90, madam.
No, I didn't get that number, sir.
No
Yeah,
problem.
90300,
I
right?
didn't receive any message from that number.
Gayatri, madam, please, one by one, friends, one by one. Please wait, please. Yeah, Swati D, 1 minute, madam. Please wait.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
address.
Yeah,
Please.
sure.
Yeah. Yes. Others, in the meantime, hope you received the information, please. I'll wait. Others, hope you received my WhatsApp message. Others, please kindly check. I'll wait.
Yes, sir. Received.
Yes, sir. I have also received.
Fine.
Yeah, received, sir.
Sure. Now let me address who are yet to receive their WhatsApp first. Okay. And Gayatri, in the meantime, madam, email already resent, madam. Please check. Please check. Gayatri, email resent again, madam. Please check. I'll wait. Swati D. Can you
Yes,
hear me,
sir.
madam? Swati D.
Yeah,
Yes.
yes, sir.
Have you received the
90,
email?
90300408001. That is your number. Yeah,
Exactly.
got
Sure.
received.
Please take the pen,
Okay, thank you, sir.
Fine.
Yeah, received. Thank you.
Sure. Yeah. Gayatri, have you received the email, madam? Please check it. I'll wait, please. Cannot hear you. Please check your mic. Fine, friends. We'll stop for now.
I did get it. Thank you.
Fine, madam. Fine. Thank you. I need to send you the software download links. Please submit the form. Please submit the form. Let us know which course you're opting for. That's important because we need to provide the day-wise roster. Please take print copy of the class notes for tomorrow. Download the software. I'll provide that software download links. What to do? I will do it shortly. From email, download the software and also take print copy of the course curriculum. Please take print copy of the course curriculum. And also, in case of any questions, non-technical, our team would handle anyway. And technical, please WhatsApp me a one-to-one talk. And I need your support. Please promise me everyday practice and submit all assignments by weekend. Please, weekend, max by weekend. Please, yes, everyone, please. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Promise?
Yes, sir.
Promise?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Promise?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Yes,
Promise?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Like mother
Yes.
promise in our childhood, we have trainer promise here. Really? Really? We need it. Please help me, okay? Please help me. We are interactive today, right? I want the same interaction to continue until end of the course. Need your support, please. Thank you and see you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you,
so
sir.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you, sir.
much.
Thank you. Have a
Thank
good
you.
day.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Signing off.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you.